Hi, welcome to the Kubescape community meeting. Today is November the 25th, 2025. Let's share the agenda. So, okay. So Ben, I don't know if you had something to put on the agenda or you, Oshrat, but
I'm not able to type right now. I just wanted to go over the submissions to KubeCon just to sync it in between us. It's like
okay.
2 minutes. Um, Besides this, I don't think that since it doesn't look like people are joining, I think that in general we need to start to invest in a roadmap. Um,
Mm-hmm.
but again, I'm not sure that this is going to be the right time. It's just I wanted to raise the point. Um,
Do we have an issues list, requests and stuff?
Well, we had the cubescaping, right?
Oh yeah, we
yeah,
had
we have
cubescaping.
we have the cubescaping, but I think that there are like just like a little more bigger things maybe to tackle.
Yeah. Yeah, to prepare the
Yeah, it's been a year since Salt Lake, and there was the MD there, but I think maybe it needs a refresh.
Yes. Okay, so regarding the KubeCon EU submissions, so we have the Kubescape booth.
With the Cubescape booth, we have we proposed a project meeting.
Yeah.
I think one or two talks in the maintainers track. I think one talk.
One, I think yours, right?
Yeah, I have proposed two talks on on the main event.
Yeah.
That
I
are
think
related.
I had one as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
I have one with Constance, and I
Mm.
think another one. Yeah. Okay. And project meeting, maintenance track.
I don't know, Ashrat, if you did, but I also requested the kiosk. Uh,
No, I'm
for,
glad you caught that because I wasn't looking. I'm kind of overwhelmed at the moment.
yeah.
But I, I,
So
I asked for it as well, so maybe they will see it.
So did we too.
yeah, yeah, we'll get a lot of kiosks.
We got a lot of slots for Atlanta.
No,
Don't know
but
how
I
it'll
think it's
be.
a given, right? Now that we are incubating, we have a
Yeah, like I think we will get a kiosk. It's
yeah.
not that we
No,
want
we'll
it.
get a kiosk for sure. It's just a matter of how many
I,
slots we'll get.
yeah, I think that in the KubeCon you will have just like more competition on the kiosk spot. But again, in the US, like we had an awesome kiosk traffic, not just for KubeScape, for every project. I heard from others that it did for the first time really nicely.
And
Ben, did you
it's
tell me? Sorry. Ben, did you tell me that Giant
Sorry?
Swarm is going to start using Cubescape, or did Timo tell me?
Yeah,
You told me.
I
Okay.
told you that Timo told me.
Okay. Good.
I
He
was at
didn't
the
mention
messenger.
it in Mannheim. Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
I think you need to catch up more with Zach than with Timo. Zach is the security PO.
Mm. Oh, that's cool. I started to play with Mirror D, by the way.
Oh, nice, nice. I think you'll find it advantageous.
Yeah. I've always wanted to use a product like this, but telepresence didn't work well. So maybe this one will.
Okay, now I'm gonna cut you. Actually, Tal told me that you said that to him in Mannheim, but now I'm gonna cut this piece of the video and I'm gonna use it for my marketing.
Yeah, if you want, it will be public on YouTube anyway. So yeah. Okay. Next item. So there was like a pull request opened by Whose name is it? No, sorry. I still need to click on it. Yeah, I'm not sure that's the implementation that we want to do, but the goal of this pull request is to save the Kubescape CRDs in the namespace of the workload to allow the teams looking at the security issues.
Yeah.
So that's good, but I don't think we want to keep them in the Kubescape namespace because we will
You don't?
anyway need at some point to migrate. So better migrate now and like modify the headlamp plugin or other. We have the lens plugin. What else do we have?
Was the lens plugin updated anytime in the past?
I think it's still used because I saw people complaining. So, but
So
anyway,
maybe
I
it's
think
not working.
we should do there the logic of querying first the namespace of the workload and then fall back on the Kubescape namespace, and then eventually completely remove the fallback on the Kubescape namespace.
Yeah.
And I think this is what we
Yeah.
should do.
Yeah, it sounds all right.
Yeah. So I will try to follow up on this. Okay. Okay. I think that's all I had for today and a bit of triage.
Okay.
Yeah. Maybe if we get a chance, we could put the videos, the video links from the Kubescape. I will try to find them.
What, Emil's lightning talk and
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Mhm. Ben, did you give a talk about Kubescape?
Yeah, I gave the lightning talk was on me. Lightning talk was on me, and Amir did a in-depth talk about the storage, which is I think great. So we get like very interesting feedback from like people there,
Cool.
so it was good. It created
Yeah,
good
I don't think
engagement.
I don't think the panel here is very relevant because I don't think Rotem mentioned Kubescape. She was just talking about the raison d'être.
Yeah,
Um,
I don't think so either.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, I will try to find the relevant ones and put them here so people can
Okay.
find them. Cool.
Great.
Well,
It
thanks for
was wonderful
joining.
seeing you. See you around.
Yeah, see you, Rafat. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.
Okay, so let's see. Generating network policy for Kubescape does not allow Prometheus service monitor traffic.
Yeah, why? Maybe something related to maybe we are not
Why
happy
does
to
he?
look
What
at.
does he mention? Generated network policy.
He might be tries to generate network policy with
Ah, no,
Kubescape.
no, no, no. It's the network policy that we ship. Okay, we just need to update
Okay.
them. Okay, fair enough.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, fair enough. I will ask if he wants.
Oh my God.
Okay, then option to omit manifest update in storage for metric endpoint. Same guy. When using the V1 metrics endpoint, it takes Kubescape over 9 minutes to finish the process and give a response on my cluster. Because we scan the metrics?
Maybe.
Let me ask him. Hey, Bez.
Oh,
Hi guys.
hello, hello.
How's it going? How it was in KubeCon?
How was KubeCon? We had great traffic in the booth. We had the project booth and all day busy. All day busy.
Well,
And it was yeah, and we also gave a few talks.
yeah,
So if you
I
have,
saw the LinkedIn posts.
yeah, you should see the talks. They were posted this morning to the YouTube.
Yeah, I saw. I got a notification about it.
Yeah, you should see like Amir's post, Amir's talk. Uh, yeah, also Rotam's. We're talking. Are you coming to KubeCon Europe?
No,
Like I think if you will, go to the calendar, see, check the dates. I think you will want to come.
why? It's Passover evening.
It's one week before Passover.
Okay, yes.
We are in the triaging a bit. Now that you are here, Bez, any news on the host agent?
Not yet, no. Actually,
Just eagerly waiting. Go on.
Sorry, Ben, I didn't understand.
No, I wanted to tell that Yossi was eagerly waiting for the host agent to be replaced.
Ben, I'm assigning you an open request on exception on manual controls. Looks like the new controls that were added, they don't accept exceptions.
Really? Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Then, yeah, this one, I was supposed to look into it. Okay, I think that's the end of yeah. This one from last week. Okay. Headlamp plugin. Matisse needs to look at this. This is work in progress. It's reviewer. This one I will approve. Okay.
the new feature request came over the booth.
Nothing like very
Sorry.
Ben, you're
is
clipping,
a
at
node
least for me.
agent due to. Okay, maybe it's I don't have. I'm not in the right place to talk. Do you hear me okay now, or it's still the
Yes, much
bad?
better now. Yes.
It's better now. Yes.
So we ourselves were really bogged down with issues in Inspector, like replacing Inspector Gadget with its new version, and adding instead of using Go routines to evaluate ePPF events in the node agent, replacing it with CA rule engine. These things like or
Right. Let's go after
Yeah, but
again
I
then.
think the question was more like feature request at the kiosk, right? If someone came with an
yeah, I didn't
ID
have.
and okay.
Well, I didn't know. No, there were no feature requests.
Okay, so basically, as for the node agent, we want to take all the how to call it, like CRDs, and make them real CRDs and send them through the to the API server, right? And then the synchronizer will take them from there, and will do its magic. Right?
Yes, but this for the host agent, but I think you can already start by deprecating the host agent, just moving the existing code into the node agent so that we only have like one daemon set. And then after that, we can migrate to CRDs. You don't need to do like everything in one go. I think it will be...
If we will start with the deprecation, we will get to a situation where we have no data, since the Kubescape is not aware how to scrape the node agent, only the host.
We can tell it.
Okay, so if I need to deal with the changes in Kubescape itself, I
understand.
No,
Yes.
I will do it in one go. So,
So
okay.
I don't know if you hear me, but I think that it can be done maybe in two steps. In a way that at the beginning we deprecate the host agent, and the Kubescape will talk to the node agent, and in second step the node agent will create CRDs, and Kubescape will pick them up. It might be even easier to go to the step 2 directly. In my opinion, it's going to be just easier.
As I see, the two steps should be like: first step, implement the CRDs and write them into the API server, and then the next step, deprecate the host scanner. Not
That's
the
okay.
opposite.
That's that's also fine. And actually, Kubescape can pick up the CRDs easily. I can sit with you like 10 minutes and go over, because I think that CRDs can be parsed by Kubescape easily. So it even might be like really pretty simple changes in the Kubescape and Rego world.
Kubescape now is expecting like a CRD like objects.
Yeah, exactly. So this is why I'm saying that if we are aligning the CRD with already what Kubescape knows, then it should be like a really simple thing to do on the, like we might need to enable Kubescape to have access to these CRDs at the RBAC level, and tell at the control level that the control that we are dependent on these CRDs, and yeah, that's it, more or less.
Okay. Okay. I think I will allocate some time for this in during December. Okay, let's get it done. I'm not sure we have a big gap.
We also But we also we came together and Eran, for the backend components, he created a set of README files that are directing different AI agents for the backend components, and they are working amazingly. Like it's mind blowing. And we could do the same for Kubescape. We wanted to do the same for the Kubescape repos as well. If you want to join a discussion about it, tell me and I will invite you. We'll sit with Eran. He will explain what he do and how he did it for existing code. And it is something that is just like a game changer in development.
Did you see my comment on some LinkedIn post? Someone talked about a rug they developed in their inner systems. They invented some new type of rug, and actually, I just a few weeks ago just done a unified format for MD files for one of my clients, and then a simple MCP with just read permissions. It gives results, amazing results. Okay? Just by having unified MD files and a simple MCP which can read the reading files, and that's all. You need no rug.
Yeah.
You need nothing fancy in here. It's just worked like
Yeah, send over the link again if you don't mind. I want to read, but we are more or less working like this with MD files. That's all.
No,
and we're
which PR?
Sorry.
What do you mean?
So can you send over the link that you are talking about?
About the original post in LinkedIn? I can try to find it out. 1 minute. Again, I didn't put there, the my MD files, but the basic idea is there. It's someone from AI21. They are really, really great people.
Okay. Matthias, do we have anything else?
No, that was it. Offline, I will reply to some issues that we have already triaged and that I was supposed to handle like 2 weeks ago. So
okay.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay.
Thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Thanks, Bez.
Thank you, guys.
See you. Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.